Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your email in Telegram quickly and easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon. On most devices, you'll find it in the bottom right corner or top left. Next, go to Settings. Here, tap on Privacy and Security. Now look for Email Confirmation or any email-related option. Tap on it, and here you'll see your current email. To change it, simply enter your new email address. After that, Telegram will send a verification code, OTP, to your new email. Go to your email inbox, copy the code, and paste it back into Telegram. Once verified, your email will be updated successfully. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.